The fluorescent lights in the underground parking garage flickered as if they sensed trouble long before anyone else did. Avery Lane tightened her grip on the steering wheel of the midnight blue Bentley Continental, her birthday gift, though gift felt too small a word for something that changed her entire existence overnight. Just yesterday, she was nobody, a waitress at a rundown diner in Phoenix, a girl who lost her mother to stage 4 cancer, a girl who never knew her father. But before dying, her mother whispered a truth Avery never expected. Your father is Michael Lane, a billionaire, owner of Lane Automotive Industries, one of the most powerful men in America. And he came for her. He said sorry. He wanted her back. He placed this Bentley's key in her hand and told her she deserved a better life. Now she was here, alone in a dim concrete maze beneath her new high-rise apartment, still trying to believe she wasn't dreaming. She stepped out of the car. Her hand shook slightly as she admired it. "Mom, I wish you could have seen this," she whispered. A sharp laugh cut through the silence. 3 figures emerged from behind a pillar. Chase, Brett, and Eli, the same rich boys who used to bully her back in high school, the ones who live-streamed her crying after a prank, the ones who called her trash girl, the ones who thought money gave them the license to crush anyone poorer than them. "What do we have here?" Chase smirked, raising his phone. "Avery Lane with a Bentley. Oh, this is going on live." Avery's stomach tightened. "Don't do this," she said quietly. Brett stepped closer, circling the car. "You working at a diner last week and now you're driving a $250,000 Bentley? Yeah, right. Tell the truth. You stole it." Eli whistled. "A thief and a liar? Classic Avery." "Guys, stop," she said, but her voice trembled. That was all the permission they needed. Chase lifted his phone higher. "Ladies and gentlemen, look what we found. A dirt poor girl pretending to be rich. This Bentley, definitely stolen." Avery forced herself to stand tall. "It's mine." The laugh they gave her felt like knives. "Just like old times." Chase pushed past her and filmed the license plate. "Let's see what the police say." "Chase, don't!" Avery lunged forwards, grabbing his wrist. He shoved her hard. She stumbled against the car, pain flashing across her ribs. "You lay a hand on me again," Chase growled, "and I'll make sure the whole city sees you arrested." The world blurred. Her pulse hammered. She couldn't breathe. Then, sirens. 2 police cars screeched into the garage, lights spinning violently across the concrete. Officers stepped out, hands on their weapons. Chase pointed at her dramatically. "Officers, she stole that Bentley. We caught her." Avery froze, her tears burning behind her eyes. An older officer approached. His nameplate read, Caleb Mercer. "Miss, is this your vehicle?" "She's lying, officer," Chase shouted, live stream still rolling. "She's broke. Her mom died in a trailer park. Ask her where she got the money." The world felt like it tilted. Avery swallowed. "Run the plate," she whispered. "Please." Officer Mercer studied her for a second, really studied her, then nodded and typed into his tablet. Seconds passed, stretching like hours. Beep. Match found. He looked up and his eyes widened. "This car is registered to Michael Lane." Chase frowned. "Yeah, so?" Officer Mercer raised his hand. "And the secondary authorized driver is Avery Lane." Silence detonated across the garage. Chase's face drained of color. Brett and Eli exchanged panicked looks. Avery held her breath. Officer Mercer stepped closer to Chase. "Son, making a false report is a federal offense, and live streaming it makes it worse." Chase's phone shook in his hand. Wait, we didn't mean—" A voice echoed from behind the officers. "Is there a problem here?" Every head turned. A man in a charcoal suit walked in with the presence of a storm. Powerful, cold, impossible to ignore. 2 security guards flanked him. Michael Lane, Avery's father. Chase visibly paled. "Mr. Lane, sir, we didn't know." Michael ignored them completely. He walked straight to Avery and gently touched her cheek. "Are you hurt?" The softness in his voice silenced the entire garage. Avery shook her head, blinking fast. "I'm okay." Michael turned to the officers. "Thank you for responding. I'll handle the rest." Then he faced the boys, their live stream still running, their audience watching them crumble. "You assaulted my daughter," Michael said quietly. "You harassed her. You lied to the police." Chase's knees buckled. Brett whispered, "Oh, God." Michael's security stepped forward. "Take their phones," he ordered. "Forward the live stream footage to my legal team. They'll be hearing from us." Chase backed against a pillar, breath shaking. "Mr. Lane, please don't ruin my life." "You already ruined hers," Michael said, voice like ice. "Tonight, you learned what real consequences feel like." Eli, terrified, trembling, accidentally let out a warm, dark stain down his jeans. The live stream caught it all. Avery exhaled slowly. For the first time in years, she didn't feel small. Michael placed a protective hand on her shoulder. "Let's go home." As they walked towards the elevator, Avery glanced back once at the boys, hollow-eyed, humiliated, exposed before the entire internet. Justice didn't have to be loud. Sometimes it simply had to be visible. And tonight, it was.